Hey everyone, welcome back to ESC Speaking and Conversation, the place where English feels easy, fun and alive. Today, we're talking about something super exciting. The secret signs that your brain has started thinking in English. Yeah, that magical moment when you're no longer translating, but actually living the language. Let's find out if your brain is already there. You ever had that moment when you say something like, "Wait, what's in your own language for actually again?" If that's ever happened to you, congratulations! That's one of the clearest signs your brain is switching to English mode. So these are 6 signs that prove your brain has started thinking in English. Sign 1. You start forgetting words in your native language. I know, it sounds weird, right? You're talking to your friend and suddenly you say, "I went shopping groceries." And you said it unconsciously. That's your brain prioritising English words first. Reason. Your mind is starting to store and access vocabulary in English faster than in your native tongue. Fact. According to cognitive linguists, bilinguals often code switch because their brain activates both languages. Whichever word comes first wins. So next time you forget a word in your native language, don't panic. That's not a problem. It's progress. Sign 2. You talk to yourself in English. You know that little voice in your head? Yeah, that one. If it starts saying things like, "Okay, let's go take a shower," or, "Ugh, I shouldn't have said that," instead of your native language, boom, that's a big sign. You're no longer translating. You're thinking directly in English. Example. You wake up and go talking to yourself, "What time is it? I'm late," instead of telling them by your native language. That means your English brain is awake before your body is. Reason. Your brain prefers efficiency. Translating takes time, but thinking in English skips that middle step. So if you catch yourself mumbling in English while brushing your teeth, your brain's levelling up. Next, sign 3. You dream in English. Yes, some learners actually dream in English. Maybe you're arguing with your teacher, or flirting with your celebrity crush in English. It doesn't matter if your grammar's perfect or not. What matters is your brain is immersed in the language even when you're asleep. Fact. Studies show that dreaming in another language means your subconscious has accepted it as part of your identity. Pretty cool, right? Sign 4. You think of English first when reacting. Imagine someone suddenly spills coffee on you and you go, "Oh my God," instead of, "What do you say that in your language?" Or when you drop your phone and say, "No." That's your emotional response system working in English. It means the language is becoming part of your emotional world, not just your study material. Reason. When you start attaching feelings to English expressions, you're no longer just learning, you're living the language. Sign 5. English pops out when you're not even trying. Sometimes you just say things like, "I mean," or "you know," in the middle of a conversation in your own language. You might even text your friend, "Bro, I'm so tired," and they reply, "Why English, bro?" That's your brain showing automatic recall. You're not choosing English, it's choosing you. And this is the last sign. Sign 6. You understand without translating. This is the biggest milestone. You watch a movie, listen to a podcast, or hear someone say, "She's not into him," and you instantly get it. No need to translate it into your own language. Reason. Your brain has built direct connections between words and meaning, not words and translation. It's like your brain finally says, "Okay, enough middleman, let's go native." Listen, if you're showing even one of these signs, it means your English is growing from the inside out. It's no longer just grammar and vocabulary. It's mindset, habit, and immersion. You're building an English brain. So don't stop now. Keep speaking, keep listening, keep thinking in English, even if it sounds weird or funny sometimes. Because every weird sentence is one step closer to fluency. So, how many of these signs have you experienced? Comment below and tell me which one sounds like you. And hey, if you want your English to grow naturally and confidently, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more fun and real English learning videos, only here on ESC Speaking and Conversation. All right, go out there and keep thinking in English. Your brain's already halfway there. See you in the next video. Bye! Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.